name is Jessica Siguenza, and this is Eric Miller.
Hi.
We are with Finance of America Mortgage out of Orange County. So Eric's going to be talking a little bit about refinancing and the different options you have with that.
Right. So it is a really good interest rate market. Rates have come down quite a bit over the last several months. So there are great opportunities for homeowners who purchased in the last few years. If you have a rate anywhere over, say, 4.25%, you really should talk to somebody about your options.
What are the different reasons that someone would refinance?
Good question. So basically, people would refinance for one of three reasons. Okay, either you just want to get a lower interest rate and improve your payment situation, or you might want to pull cash out to pay off debt or finance improvements on your house. And the third reason that I like to talk about is what's called mortgage compression, where you can use lower interest rate to actually pay your loan off sooner so that you're not stuck in a loan for 30 years.
So something else that's interesting that a refinance could help you do is home improvements, and also you could possibly pull out cash to use in an investment property. So tell us a little bit more about that.
Sure. So if you're thinking of buying investment property, and you're smart about it, you're looking at it from a total cash flow perspective, right? So if you can use your equity in your home cheaply because interest rates are low to purchase investment property, it's a great way for you to increase your overall real estate portfolio and actually make more money for yourself in the long run.
So if you're someone out there, there's little things that bother you about the home that you're living in, a cash out refinance to help improve some of the different features of your home is possible, correct?
Sure, absolutely. It's a great time to do that as well because, again, rates being as low as they are, I'm seeing a lot of scenarios where a homeowner might pull equity from their house to finance some repairs and actually have the same payment or a better payment than they had before, only now their home is worth more than it was before, so it actually is a win for them. In my mind, if it gives you a net improvement of, say, at least $150 a month, there's a benefit to refinancing. That said, a lot of times with those small improvements, the real benefit comes when you actually keep making the same payment and just pay your house off sooner. So to give you an example, if you bought last year and you had a 4.25% interest rate, and you can refinance to 4% and you only save $175 a month, but you keep making that $175 payment toward your mortgage, meaning you make the exact same payment you're making now, you could take that 30-year loan and pay it off in 22 years. So you haven't changed any behavior, you're not coming out of pocket any more money, but all of a sudden you've improved your situation, and instead of thinking, how am I gonna pay this house off, you understand that you can actually do it without really doing anything out of the ordinary. So a question I get a lot is, should we include our costs in the balance of the loan, right? And this can vary based on the individual situation, but in most cases, it's advantageous to just roll the cost into your loan balance. The reason being, for the most part, you're gonna be saving a good amount of money, whether you're taking cash out and pulling money out to pay off debt or other things, or if you're just improving your payment. What you have to realize is the net effect of financing $1,000 over 30 years is about $5 per month. So if you figure that the average cost on a refi are $3,000, the net effect is maybe $15. But if you're saving $150 or $250 a month off of your payment, you won't feel any pain associated with actually adding the cost to your loan, but it can vary depending on your situation, and of course I'm here to sort of help you understand that. Thank you for taking the time to listen to us. Of course, we are here to help you. If you have any questions, reach out to Jessica or myself. I'd be happy to help.
And we also want to tell you that you're in great hands with Carry Insurance.